Okay, this is 1530 Spruce Street, large apartment building in the Rittenhouse Square neighborhood, bordering Rittenhouse Square Graduate Hospital. Tons of bars and restaurants nearby. It sits on beautiful Spruce Street. The building's called the Newport. Okay, it's really pretty, well-maintained, updated building. Nice land, like flower pots. It's a really pretty building. This is the main entrance. Keypad entry. There's a small gym in the building. It's an elevator building as well. Goes all the way to the end there. And all the way up. There's a second entrance. Or exit. Around the corner. So again, keypad entry. Can be dropped off inside the locked door, which is a huge benefit today. Okay, this is the common area. Really nicely maintained, great security. Okay, that's that other entrance I was showing you before. Here's the elevator, stairwell. Okay, I'm gonna go down. I'm gonna be waiting a second. I'm gonna go down to see some of the other common spaces. There's your mail area. Okay. Another one of your exits. The elevator. That's how you would get up to the unit. Again, really nicely maintained. Well secured property. If you don't have stackable washer dryer in the unit, which many of them do, these are some common area units if needed. Here's the fitness center. So everything will go on. Nice machines. That's the game. Standard bench. Weights. Cardio equipment. That's the common space. Now, as we head back up, we would then be going up to the unit. That's what will connect to this video to show you the main space. Hope you like it.
Hey everyone, I'm on the second floor of the Newport building. I'm about to show you a 2-bedroom unit, unit 224, which is next to the elevator and also the stairs here, right? I'm about to show you the inside of the unit. So as you walk in, you see this beautiful hardwood floor, and it's a very high ceiling unit. You have 3 windows in the living area that brings a lot of natural light. And here in the living area you have outdoor space, which will be shared with you and the next door neighbor. You will be looking out to 16th Street. This is very huge living space. This unit has 2 beds and 2 baths. So I will show you the smaller bedroom first. When you walk from the outside, look straight, you will see all the way back there, you will see the bedroom. Before you get to the bedroom, here you have one small storage closet. It's actually high. In this bedroom you have a full bathroom. You have sink, medicine cabinet with a mirror. You have a toilet, and also you have a stall shower. Alright, so as I walk in, here is the bedroom. You have 4 windows. This side is tinted. I turn on the light to give the room a little bit light. So you have a huge closet over there, double door closet. Alright, just finished with the master bedroom. Then I'm gonna show you the other side of the unit. First place you see here is the kitchen. It's a nice kitchen. You have a wide countertop. It's upgraded countertop, stainless steel appliances. Here you have a refrigerator and cabinet space and huge window. You'll be cooking and looking outside. It's a huge window. It will bring a lot of natural light. You also have a dishwasher and a gas oven and cooktop. This unit has also a washer and a dryer in the kitchen. Also have here a pantry. So next to the kitchen, you also have a full bath. Nice sink, medicine cabinet. You have toilet, stall shower. It's a beautiful tile floor. Alright, the next room I would like to show you is the other bedroom. As you walk in, on your left hand side, you have this storage space, very high. And it's beautiful. So as you could see, it's high ceiling, very nice, beautiful floor. You have 3 huge windows, and also you have here closet space. All right, I just showed you a 2-bed and 2-bath unit in the Newport building. I hope you like the video. Thank you for watching. Bye.